I'm making and posting this video because I could not believe that the top Google search video for this was 15 minutes long. Holy cow. Okay, you need to replace your battery or you're trying to jumpstart this vehicle. That is your positive for jumpstart. That is your negative for jumpstart. You need to replace your battery. All you need is an extension, a deep socket 10 millimeter, a 10 millimeter wrench, and a ratchet. You rip this thing out, you rip that thing out, you fold this back over, you take a 10 millimeter bolt out of there, you take a 10 millimeter, let me see if I can get my light, 10 millimeter bolt out of there, you take a really long 10 millimeter socket in order to take that out. That's going to take this, it's going to fold this back out of your way. You're going to pop this off. You're going to take a 10 millimeter to this. You're going to pop this off. You're going to take a 10 millimeter to this. You take this one, you push it over that way. You pop this one straight up. You slide the battery over. You lift the battery straight up. You set your new battery in. You slide your battery over. 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, put it all back together. This entire video is 1 minute and 31 seconds. I can't believe the moronicy of the videos on this vehicle. Have fun, guys.